Hello, welcome dear students. I hope you all are having a good time these days. Now, as you know that we are doing online teaching for you, and I know also that this is quite difficult for you to understand and to learn at home. But I'll try my best to make you understand this. Okay? So today our topic is place value and face value. As you can see at the top, place value and face value. So before I start my topic or my lesson, I'll make you to understand in a brief with the help of this picture. So this is the picture of our classroom. Classroom of class 2 or A, both section A or B. As you all know that we have in our classroom we have three rows of desks and benches. First row, second row, third and fourth. You know this, isn't it? Now there is a door. Now see, look who is coming from the door. This girl named Nola. Isn't she pretty? Yes, she's pretty but naughty. Now, see, look at her face, isn't it? Now, as she entered the class and then she sits in a first row. She sits in a first row. Now, first, she sits in the first row. Now, she is doing something naughty in the class, isn't it? So, I'm going to change her place from first row to second row. Okay? See, now Nola has changed her place from first row to second row. And you can see in the first row also, Nola has the same face. If I change her place from first row to second row, her face will remain the same. Okay. Now she sits in the second row. You can see the same face. Okay, same face. Now again in the second row, she is doing some naughty things. She is talking with her friends. Now again I'm going to change her place. Again, I'm going to change her place in the third row. Here. Now, Mona is going to third row. Now, as you can see, there's a changes of place. There's a changes of place. Second row to third row. But not the face. Nola is same. Nola's face remains the same. There is no change in face, but only the place. Okay? So Nola is in the third row. So this is how place has changed, but not the face of a particular child. That is of Nola. So this is just example for you. So let me teach you in some other way. Now see here. This is a digit. Digit number 2. Digit 2. Now I'm going to slightly change this picture. Now first row I'll rub, second row I'll rub, third row and fourth row. So in place of these, I'm going to write ones, tens, hundred, and so on, thousands. Okay. Now, see, this is the number or digit 2. Now, if I place this digit in 100 place, this digit is in 100 place. Now, you can see the face of 2. If I show you this is 2. Now, if I put this 2, if I place this 2 in 100 place, see, the face will remain the same. Okay, this is 100 place. Now, if I put this 2 in tens place, if I put this 2 in tens place, now again the face will remain the same. 2 only the place has changed from 100 to tens. Okay, place has changed. not the face. Again, if I put here in one's place, number 2 is in one's place now, and the face will remain the same. Okay? Yeah. Face will never change. It is unchangeable. Okay. Now, this is just example for you. Now, let me teach you, okay, in a thorough way. Let me teach you in a thorough way. First, we are going to learn from the topic that is face value. That is face value. Face value. Now, as I've already told you, face value never change. Okay, it will remain the same. Now consider a number. Consider a number. Consider a number. The number is 6, 4, and 8. Sorry. The number is 6, 4. No, this is. Consider number 6, 8, 4. Okay. In this number, you can see we have shows a number which is 684. This number is also there in your book, so please refer your book also. Now, if you are asked to find the face value of 8, I have the question also for you so that you can able to understand. Find the face value of 8. See, find the place value of 8. This is the question. Now, how you find the place value? Now, make a chart like this. Make a chart like this. You don't have to make, but I'm just showing you how you have to find face value. Now, this is hundreds column, this is tens, and this is ones. Ones column, this is tens, and this is 100. You have already learned this in the class also, right? No, so now numbers which are here. So I'm going to write the numbers out here. So numbers are 6, 8, and 4. 4. This number 4 is in ones place. This is number 8 is in 8 tens place. Sorry, number 8 is in tens place, and number 6 is in 100 place. You can see the chart out there. Now, what we are going to find is face value. Face value. Now, find the face value. The question is find the face value of 8. Now, for this number, we need to find the face value. Now, this is like 10, isn't it? And this is ones, and this is 100 is 100. Now, face value of 8 will be 8. Face value of 8 will be 8. It will remain unchanged. Remain unchanged. Now, the same question, let's make it another number. For example, find the face value of 6 in the same number. Find the face value of 6. 6. Now, see, you need to see 6 in which position? 6 is in 100 position, right? Now, 6. Find the place value of 6. It will be 6 only. It will be 6 only. The same way, if you are asked to find the place value of 4, This will be 4. Clear? So all the face value will remain same. Face value of 4 is 4, face value of 8 is 8, and face value of 6 is 6. It is unchangeable. Okay? Now this is it. Now next thing is I hope you have learned, you have understood what is face value. Face value never change. It will remain the same. Okay? It will remain the same. Now let's move on to next, that is place value. Place value. Now consider a number. Consider a number. The same number which we have done for the face value also. Consider a number that is 684. Now the question. Let me start with the question also. Find the face value of, this is of previous topic. Now place value. Place value of, if I write here 8. Place value of 8. Now what you have to do is in one, see 4, you can see at the right side of your hand 4 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, and 6 is in hundred place. 6 is in hundred place. Now make the columns. So 6 is in hundred place, 8 tens place, 4 ones place. You can write also like this: 1, 10 tens, then 100 hundreds. Now these are numbers which are given there, which you have considered numbers 6, 8, and 4. Now what we have to do is try to find out the place value of these digits. Now what the question is asking, find the place value of 8. Now you can see 8 is in tens place. Now you are asked to find the place value of 8. Now see the 8 number 8 is also called digit. You have to say it digit. 8, digit 8 is in tens place, so that's why we do like this. Take 8 into, it is in tens place, so that's why 10. Okay, then it will be 80. It will be 80. Now the answer should be like the place value of 8 is 80. Place value of 8 is 80. This is for number 1 question. Find the place value of 8. You can see the 8 is in tens position. So 8 into 10 equals to 80. The answer will be your, the place value of 8 is 80. Write this 80 because 8 is in tens place. Now let's change the digit. Find the place value of, now move on to 6. Find the place value of 6. Now you can see on the chart, where is 6? Where is 6? 6 is in the 100 position. Now see, 6 is in the 100 position. Now what we do is, we write 6 and multiply with 100. Why 100? Because 6 is in 100 place. 6 is in 100 place. So it will be 600. 600s. Now the answer will be, for this question, find the place value of 6. You have taken out the answer. The answer will be the place value of 6 is how much it is? 600. Your answer. Okay, this is how we find place value. Right? Now, the last number or last digit which is left is number digit 4. So, the same question, I'll just remove the number. Find the place value of 4. Let's make it. Find the place value of 4. Okay. Now you can see 4 is in which position? One's position. So that's why we multiply 4 into 1. Which will be your 4 only. Why this one? Because 4 is in one's position. That's why 4 into 1 equals to 4. Now the answer will be place value of 4. Here. The answer will be place value of 4 is 4. Right. This is how you find place value of different numbers. Okay? So I hope you have understood place value and face value. Now we'll do another example that is quite different from this number. This number is there in the book itself. So you just go through it and learn. Now uh, we'll move on to the next number and we'll try to find out both place value and face value. Both place value and face value. Okay? Both place value and face value. For this, we consider a number like let's take the example of 504. Consider a number 504. For this number, we are going to find both place value and face value. Okay. Now let's make a chart so that it will be easier for you to understand. Let's make a chart that is easier for you to understand. We start from here. You get three columns: ones, tens, and hundred. This is ones place. This is tens. This is hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. Now, if you write, you can write like this also. Ones for one, tens, ten, and hundreds like this. Okay. Now.